Hello everyone. Now you need to just comb it further and then get the hairs out. You have to just get it aside, and further you need to put the clips and the ribbons like this. Then with the help of the strings you need to make a braid like this and keep on proceeding in this manner. This is gonna look even more pretty. Get them attached and tucked up like this. Now with the help of your little finger, you need to get the hairs out, the small little hair part, and then you will end up getting a beautiful pattern is gonna made out of your hair. Isn't it looking cool and amazing? Now proceeding in this manner, you need to make a beautiful shape like this and get the beautiful clip tucked aside. Proceeding in this way, you need to just get your hair, get them beautifully tucked like this and then secure it in this manner. Now what we need to do, you have to get a beautiful bun made in this way and then just secure it in this manner. Now beautifully tuck them in this manner and then you need to just secure it beautifully like this with the help of these strings and all. Beautiful, isn't it? Now let's see what are we gonna do. You have to just secure your hair like this, get them beautifully made in this manner, and then what you need to do, you have to get them made like this. Get a beautiful lovely clutches beautifully attached in this manner. Thank you guys.